Microsoft SharePoint 2013 certification exam is designed to certify the competency of IT professionals to create and format content, manage SharePoint sites, configure and consume site search results. In order to receive the Microsoft SharePoint 2013 certification, you must pass 77419 exam. Microsoft SharePoint 2013 exam focuses in the following exam domains: create and format content, manage SharePoint sites, participate in user communities, configure and consume site search results. For Microsoft SharePoint 2013 certification exam, you'll need to attempt 60 multiple choice, multiple answer, and scenario-based questions in 50 minutes. To pass Microsoft SharePoint 2013 certification exam, you'll need to score at least 700 out of 1000. Once you pass Microsoft SharePoint 2013 certification exam, you are considered to be qualified to work as SharePoint developer, SharePoint administrator, SharePoint business analyst, or SharePoint project manager. The existing Microsoft SharePoint 2013 certification is currently valuable in the market and will remain valuable as long as companies are using the technology covered in your certification. As new technologies are released, they will align with the new solution structure. Microsoft SharePoint 2013 certification will be withdrawn and will transition to a legacy status. To explore more about uCertify titles and the features, please visit www.ucertify.com/certifications/Microsoft SharePoint. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.